Welcome back, Flare community. I hope everyone is well and having an incredible day as always. In today's video, I want to remind you of an interesting fact about the Flare network. It is going to be the biggest launch in crypto history. Never have we seen such support for an asset straight out of the gates. We're going to start right here on Twitter with this tweet from back in mid-2021. The majority of exchanges listed on the supporting exchanges page also confirmed that they would list the token as part of the conditions for being included in the token distribution for their customers. Now, in case you have forgotten, there are many exchanges which have announced support for the FLR airdrop and distribution. 102 in fact. That is an impressive number, and there is no denying that. It's the biggest simultaneous listing in crypto history. But I know what you're thinking. What good is being listed on an incredible amount of exchanges if these exchanges are small and have no liquidity? Well, let's look at the facts and jump over to everyone's favorite website, CoinMarketCap, to take a look at the top 10 exchanges according to volume. As you can see, we have Binance, FTX, Coinbase, Kraken, KuCoin, Gate.io, Bitfinex, Huobi Global, Binance US, and finally Gemini. Now let's have a look at these exchanges and see if they are indeed supported exchanges. Let's start with Binance. Binance is there, and we can also see Binance US. That's two of the top exchanges. FTX, that's the Coinbase. Yep, that's there too. How about Kraken? Yep. What about KuCoin? Yep. What about Gate.io? Yep, that's there too. What about Bitfinex? Yep, that's also there. And how about Huobi? There we go. The 10 most liquid exchanges in the world are supporting the FLR airdrop. And as we can see from this tweet, many have also confirmed that they would list the token as part of the terms and conditions. If this is not a reason to be excited about the future of the Flare network, then I'm really not sure what to tell you. If you've been a part of the Flare community for a while, you will know what's coming. You know the upcoming innovation that Flare will unleash on the crypto landscape. Interoperability is going to be at the heart of what is to come, and Flare are pioneering the solutions with a network built for the future. You're in the right space at the right time. Flare will connect everything. This is just a gentle reminder, no big deal. FLR will be the biggest launch in crypto history and the most widely supported. Thank you all so much for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.